Hello everyone, I'm Andy Knight, Principal Architect at Cycle Labs. I'm excited to announce the release of Cycle 2.18. This latest release contains a slew of new features that improve user experience with the Cycle platform. The three biggest features are application secrets for better client authentication, proxy configuration with the .env file, and improvements to API testing. Let's walk through them together. The Cycle platform requires authentication in order to run tests. However, the user may not always be a human user, and that can cause problems. For example, if Johnny's credentials are used for a continuous integration pipeline, and then Johnny leaves the company, then the CI pipeline will break when Johnny's account is deactivated. Starting in Cycle 2.18, the User Management Portal enables you to create application secrets for authentication not connected to any specific human user. Cycle's application secrets work similarly to secrets in other platforms, like Azure. Adding an application secret is easy. Just log into the User Management Portal, navigate to the Application Secrets tab, and click Add Secrets. You'll be prompted to give the secret a name. The portal will show you the secret's value. Copy it and store it safely, because this is the only time you will ever be able to see this secret value. You can then use this secret as the client credential when running cycle tests instead of a human user's credential. Each secret has an expiration date, but you can always create new ones when the time arrives. In our previous release, we added proxy-aware authentication to Cycle so the testers could authenticate seamlessly whether or not their workstations were behind proxies. Unfortunately, at that time, testers would need to configure proxy settings in two places. Now, in Cycle 2.18, testers need to configure these settings in only one place, the cycle.env file. The cycle.env file configures environment variables as key value pairs. It is located in Cycle's app data directory, which you can find on your machine under your user directory /appdata/roaming/cycle/config. Out of the box, this file shows the variables you need to set, and it even gives you some examples. You can also provide a custom .env file instead of using the one in this location. The Cycle CLI includes a new command line option named --env-file that takes the path of another .env file, whose values will take precedence over the default file. This option is useful when running cycle tests in continuous integration pipelines, where editing the default .env file might be difficult. Cycle's API testing support is better than ever, thanks to feedback from the field. With version 2.18, Cycle now supports requests and responses that bear duplicate headers and query parameters. Wherever a request contains duplicate query parameters, Cycle will combine them into a list. This includes query parameters in the URL, as well as in the query form. The same goes for headers. Cycle combines duplicate headers into a list of values. This enables Cycle to test a wider variety of HTTP requests and responses, because we all know how each API likes to be special. Cycle 2.18 includes many other small fixes and features. One notable improvement is that Cycle can now parse CSV files where entries span multiple lines, such as when a column contains a mocha command with new line characters. Be sure to read the release notes for full details. As always, we are diligently working to improve the Cycle platform. We hope that the features in 2.18 help you test better than ever. Thank you.